This is Mr. Sung Ho.
Oh,
He's Korean.
morning. How are you?
How's your life living this village?
Very small, but enough to my family.
You already adjust the living.
Yes.
Guys, galing tayo doon, may tinitingnan kaming pwesto na tindahan at malapit lang pala dito yung bahay ni Sung Ho, yung Koreano nating kaibigan. So nandito yung bahay nila guys. Ayan. Koreano to, nakapangasawa siya ng taga dito, kapitbahay namin, pero dito yung bahay nila. So pasukin natin at i-interviewin natin kung kumusta yung buhay-buhay niya dito. Tabing ilog, puntahan natin. Tara. Okay, thank you. This is Mr. Sung Ho.
Oh,
He's Korean.
morning. How are you?
How's your life here? Good.
Yes. Good. You make the store?
Yeah,
Good idea.
good. Yeah, if you can fix the store.
Up there?
Yeah,
Oh, no.
yeah. The one that see the riverside. The
Yes.
small one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey,
But we're neighbor again.
Yes. Okay. America.
Yeah. Thank you for the coffee. Can I go inside?
Come here.
Yeah,
It's okay.
Go inside his house. This is Hanyul. The pretty daughter. There are 2 rooms in their house. Yeah, nice. How's your life living this village?
Very small, but enough to my family.
You already adjust the living.
Yes.
Complete. There's appliances there. Where's the TV?
Over there.
Over there.
In the room.
In the room, can I go inside? Wow, the big TV here. Here, okay. Where is Youngjae?
Sensei is feeding in the school.
Leaving. Thank you for the coffee. It's so cold. It's raining. Oh my God. To refrigerator, huh?
This one is already broken.
Yeah.
Broken it.
How's your neighbor? They're good? No talk, no talk. And we go outside. There's a laundry area. There's the laundry area, and since we have water here, our source of water is this one. I don't know what's this, but we call it bomba or fuso. Yeah. In Korea, there's no like that. No.
Only we use.
Yeah, sure. But there is a little hard
Yeah.
because of the water supply.
When I was
Unsafe to drink.
Yeah. When I was a child, we are use Humba, but
Bomba. There's still bomba. There also bomba. No bomba. How many years you have been here?
here
Yeah,
6 years.
6 years.
Yeah, 6 years.
6 years.
Already have. Already have.
Yeah, there's a well. Okay.
But,
There's a well outside.
yeah, outside.
Yeah, you can see that wheel. And open the door, so you can see the. Door. It's not a door. It's a window.
Window.